This video demonstrates how to import SDK10 project for SmartBond device in eSquare Studio. First, download the SDK for DA1469X devices. Please scan this QR code, or go to the download page from the Renesas website. Log into my Renesas account. To download the SDK package, select the Quick Link SDK version for DA, device name, or scroll down to the Software Download section. Extract the SDK package. Launch eSquare Studio from the Start menu. Use the default workspace shown in the eSquare Studio Startup dialog or click Browse to select a workspace. Install and integrate the toolchain before importing SDK projects. MinGW installation is needed if the project requires the MinGW toolchain. Click File, Import to open the Import Wizard dialog. Select Dialog SDK Project and click Next. Click Browse and navigate to the unzipped SDK folder. A list of example projects will be shown in the Projects pane. Select APU Demo project to be imported and click Next. Specify toolchain, toolchain version, and target device. Click Finish. The APU Demo project is imported into eSquare Studio. Build the project. Project is built successfully. The next video explains how to set up the build option, debug option, and more. Please continue watching.